white sausage. That's what I want. I love the Hermitage. If you can't smoke there, I ain't going back no more. Because that lady won't sound the same. I won't even recognize her. It'll be, hi, how are you? What about lady used to work here? Y'all got Waffle House here? Waffle. Well, you're not quite good enough to be a Waffle House. You're a Huddle House. I went to Huddle House one time. They goes, you want to get some breakfast? I said, yes, ma'am. I'll get eggs, bacon, and large Coke. She goes, you want real eggs or egg substitute? So I think I'll try some of that egg substitute. She said, well, how do you want that cooked? I said, boiled. I want to see what kind of shell this thing comes in. She bought me a soggy milk carton. Thank you for coming to Huddle House.
The Garage, your domain, where a wall full of tool stacks holds the stories of past projects, where the utility light hangs like a loyal friend. So when you have to make the trip for parts, you want to make it fast. Just order your parts online at advanceautoparts.com. You can pick them up in-store in just 30 minutes, then get right back to doing what you love. Advance Auto Parts. Let's get you back to the garage.
Visit advanceautoparts.com now to learn more. Hey, football fans, we've got a quick quiz for you. Which do you prefer? A, B, C,
We're going into overtime.
or D?
Going into overtime.
If you chose D, then there's only one place for you this football season. Buffalo Wild Wings. Wall-to-wall TVs, wings, beer, and plenty of food to share. Buffalo Wild
My job, there is a Buffalo Wild Wings.
So here's part of the problem is I'm 100% Irish, and that's not good. No, that's not good. Little Irish goes a long way. This 100% shit, I don't get it. And my mother thinks it's just we are the most magical, we're the most spiritual. Like you'll notice, a lot of Irish people born right around Christmas. Did you say Irish born? Then I got old enough to read a calendar and I saw that Christmas is exactly 9 months after St. Patrick's Day. Yeah, less to do with divine intervention and more to do with just some makeup sex after a slap fight at the Blarney Stone that day. But St. Patrick's Day bothers me because the racism against the Irish is so pronounced. I can't believe that you all get away with it. Every other race on our day, so much to be proud of. Writers, politicians. What do you guys do? Hey, what do you do on St. Patrick's Day? Let's get shit-faced, throw up, and punch each other in the face. You know what Irish people do? I resent it. It's bullshit. We don't do that on your day. You don't see that. Hey, what are you doing on Rosh Hashanah? I'm gonna head down to the bank and check my balances. What are you up to? Yeah, that's not so funny, is it? But for us, it's fine, sure. How was your Chinese New Year? Awesome. I went out and had a completely unreasonable car accident. What did you do? Yeah, not so funny. How was your Black History Month? Showed up late, missed the whole goddamn thing. I can't believe it. Have a good Cinco de Mayo? Yeah, bought some fake Timberlands, hung out in front of the Home Depot all afternoon. Great cup people and tip the wait staff good. They're working very hard here. I like those people. They're real hard. First time I got drunk, I was at a party and I couldn't handle my liquor. I'm like, who wants to wrestle? Pick up the biggest kid, I body slammed her. You ever get so drunk you think you're floating? Turns out 2 bouncers holding you up. Don't drink and drive. If you ever get pulled over by the cops and says touch your nose, don't say Simon didn't say, okay? The worst when a cop starts writing you a ticket, you're like, what the fuck? That's such bullshit. I can't use an excuse in my life. Go up to girls, start trying to help them. I'm like, what are you doing? Already started, can't stop. Protest in court. Some girls are so hot, they actually suck in bed. Let me tell you something, ladies. It is. Take a nap. I was at a bar last week. This girl was really cute, but she was really drunk, and I wanted to hook up with her, but I don't want to take advantage of her, so I did the right thing. I got drunk too. And we're making out, but every girl has that one friend who takes her away when things are getting really good. A little fucking trolls, like she has to get out. No, you mean you cockblocker. Somebody fights at a bar. The fight's always over an ugly chick. This girl was like, hi. I'm like, hi. This guy's like, you hitting on my girl? I'm like, have you seen your girl? I wouldn't disrespect me like that. He's like, you got some set of balls. I'm like, so does she. This one's for all the ladies out there. You might want to save those moves. I kissed you on the cheek. Good night, my love, I say. You turned to me and smiled, but baby's on the way. And then we drift asleep to dream of life anew. And I lie wondering just what I should do. Kick you in the stomach and catch you unawares. I can swear to God you accidentally fell that flight of stairs. When I tell you that I love you, I look you in the eye as I slowly slide the hand on your thigh. As I said, that one's for the ladies.
Okay, I have to tell you this story. I was talking about the kids, and really, she doesn't relate. Like, I opened this package one time. I got under the tree, and I say tree because I thought it was Christmas. I know there's a lot of cultures in the world like that. I told my Jewish friends, like, you know, even if I was Jewish, I'd probably go ahead and light up candles on the Christmas tree. I would. You can't hide crap under a menorah, guys. You can. That's like 8 days. Where's my present? Oh, there it is. This is so thin. And there's also a lot of light. So I got this package under the Christmas tree, and I freaked out, you guys, because it came in a Victoria's Secret box. Yeah! I know, I was like, what? My family doesn't go there, you know? Like, we all just look like we're ready to Hollywood. Yeah, that is our look, and so here I am, I open this box, and there is a nightie in there. You guys, a nightie as in negligee, as in sicko. Sick! Yeah, no, I don't know if you ever got a nightie on Christmas from your mother before. Yeah, but a piece of your innocence sort of died. You know what I mean? Yeah, and my dad was right there to see it. He saw everything. He looks at it, he was like, oh boy, you could really whoop it up for one of those things. No, you can't, Father. That is gross. That's gross. And I said, Jesus Christ, Mike. I popped a JC right out there. You know? I'm sorry, but I know it's close to Christmas, but I did it.
Fact. Looking fabulous does not have to cost an arm and a leg. At JustFab.com, head-turning style starts from just $39.95. At JustFab.com, you'll shop the most exclusive trends of the season, from boots, heels, and flats, to handbags, denim, and dresses. Styles start from just $39.95. Shipping and exchanges are free. Hurry! Click the JustFab.com banner now. New members can take advantage.
If I ever owned a smart car, I get a big piece of fucking plywood, and I'd fiberglass the plywood and make a big twisty knob and screw it to the back of the car.
Projects where the utility light ends like
You know, like a toy. They screw up.
so when you have to make the trip from parts.
Like this twisted metal.
Just look for parts on
Yeah.
autoparts.com. You
Got
can
it back
get
with
them
smart.